Welcome to Max class. This is the continuation class of exercise 3.2 in the chapter Ratio and Proportion. Question number 6. Divide the numbers given below in the required ratio. Subdivision 1. 20 in the ratio 3:2. From the ratio, we say that a ratio 3:2 is said to have a total of 3 plus 2 parts in it. So, total parts equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 3 parts in 20 equal to 20 into 3 by 5. 20 is divided by 5, we get 4. 4 is multiplied by 3, we get 12. 3 parts in 20 equal to 12. 2 parts in 20 equal to 20 into 2 by 5. 20 is divided by 5, we get 4. 4 is multiplied by 2 equal to 8. So 2 parts in 20 equal to 8. 20 in the ratio 3:2 equal to 12 and 8. Subdivision 2. 27 in the ratio 4:5. Total parts of the ratio 4:5 equal to 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 4 parts in 27 equal to 27 into 4 by 9. 27 is simplified by 9, we get 3. 3 is multiplied by 4, we get 12. So 4 parts in 27 equal to 12. 5 parts in 27 equal to 27 into 5 by 9. 27 is divided by 9, we get 3. 3 into 5 equal to 15. 3 parts in 27 equal to 15. So 27 is divided in the ratio 4:5 equal to 12, 15. Subdivision 3. 40 in the ratio 6:14. From this ratio 6:14 is said to have a total of 6 plus 14 parts in it. So 6 plus 14 equal to 20. Now we find 6 parts in part 40 and 14 parts in 40. 6 parts in 40 equal to 40 into 6 by 20. 40 is divided by 20, we get 2. 2 is multiplied by 6 equal to 12. So 6 parts in 40 equal to 12. 14 parts in 40 equal to 40 into 14 divided by 20. 40 is simplified by 20, we get 2. 2 into 14 equal to 28. 14 parts in 40 equal to 28. So 40 in the ratio 6:14 equal to 12 and 28. Question number 7. In a family, the amount spent in a month for buying provisions and vegetables or in the ratio 3:2. If the allotted amount is rupees 4,000, then what will be the amount spent for subdivision 1 provisions and subdivision 2 vegetables? Subdivision 1 amount spent for provisions. The total amount equal to rupees 4,000. The vegetables, the amount spent for buying vegetables and provisions in the ratio 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So total parts equal to 5. Amount spent for provisions equal to 4,000 into 3 by 5. 4,000 is divided by 5, we get 800. 800 is multiplied by 3 equal to rupees 2400. So the amount spent for provisions equal to rupees 2400. Subdivision 2, vegetables. Amount spent for vegetables equal to 4000 into 2 by 5. 4000 is divided by 5, we get 800. 800 is multiplied by 2, we get 1600. Amount spent for vegetables equal to rupees 1600. Question number 8. A line segment 63 cm long is to be divided into two parts in the ratio 3:4. Find the length of each part. The line segment is divided into two parts in the ratio 3:4 is said to have a total of 3 plus 4 parts in it. So the total parts equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7 parts. Length of the line segment equal to 63 centimeter. Now we find the length of 3 parts of line segment and length of 4 parts of line segment. First we find the length of 3 parts of line segment equal to 63 into 3 divided by 7. 63 is divided by 7, we get 9. 9 is multiplied by 3, we get 27 centimeter. So, length of 3 parts of line segment equal to 27 centimeter. Length of 4 parts of line segment equal to 63 into 4 by 7. 63 is divided by 7, we get 9. 9 is multiplied by 4 equal to 36 centimeter. So, length of 4 parts of line segment equal to 36 centimeter. So, length of the line segment in the ratio 3:4 equal to 27 centimeter and 36 centimeter. Students, I hope you have understood the sums given in exercise 3.2. Thank you.